he's coming the wrong way. Look at that. We got one. We're going straight.
So what do I do?
Just stop.
Okay.
Stay right here. Okay, change lanes. Make the right lane change here. Okay.
Oh my god. They were just looking at us like
Yeah.
we were.
They think we're in their lane.
I know. Wow.
Oh, here comes another one. See, down the road.
We're not on that side.
Yeah.
We're actually.
Oh, he just realized it. It's like, whoops. Huh. There we go.
At least they realized it, not the
Yeah.
other people that were probably laughing at me.
I get such a kick out of this, man. It's so funny.
Oh, he's trying to park, I think.
What the hell? That's right
Yeah.
there. What the heck is he doing? He's in reverse. And you can roll forward a little bit here.
I'm just gonna wait for that car to go.
Yeah. There we go. Okay.
That's interesting. You'd like.
Okay, we didn't make a right turn at the stop sign.
He's laughing too.
Yeah.
Realized it, I think.
Oh, here comes another one. That's 3.
Oh, going down the road. Do I just wait?
Yeah. Yeah, might as well. That's 3. Okay. Right on this. So the next legal left turn.